Hey guys, and welcome back to Space Astronomy. We've updated to 1.3.4, so there's a little trick that you have to do in order to stop the game from crashing, and that involves adding a little bit of code to the parameters inside of Feed the Beast, the FTB launcher. First things first, let's go into bed. If you need that code, it's available on the FTB forums, so that should help you out. I'll also paste it in the description below, just in case you need that. Let's go check on our quarry over here. So I think I'm going to start building the space base here. One of the things we can do is, let's put that up, is start by building the space base so we have somewhere to put all of the stuff that we are gathering right here. So I'm thinking we can either make the space base out of tin decoration block, which is already being used by the space base or the space station, or we can go ahead and just use marble or something like that. We also have a few things already made at this on the moon as far as a bubble distributor and such. We're going to need to make oxygen on the moon, so we'll want to bring some saplings for us. We can go grab some apple tree saplings or something of that nature. How are things going here? Going fine. Let's get some more melons. Wonderful. Fantastic. That should have plenty of fuel if we want to go to the moon and pick up the bubble distributor. That would probably save us some time instead of having to build another one. Or, I mean, we could build another one at the start of next season. We should have, let's grab our oxygen thing right here, fill ourselves up, so we'll have some more for our time. Perfect. Now let's fill this one up. Nope, come on. Fill that up with some more oxygen. We'll eventually want to be able to use these for our... Let's see if this will work. So, that would be awesome. Alright. Add oxygen to that. Oh, that's hydrogen. That won't work. What about oxygen? It's not looking like that will connect up to there, unfortunately. Oh well. Well, we'll figure something out and see if we can intermingle, if we can mix those two, because that would be pretty sweet. Let's see, uses for the heavy oxygen tank. Oh, oxygen storage module. Used to store large amounts of oxygen for later use. That might be useful for us. And then also here, gas liquefier. Liquefies gases either from the atmosphere or from canisters. Liquefied methane makes a good rocket fuel. Ooh, that might be a good thing for us to use as well. Methane synthesizes with a source of hydrogen and a source of carbon. This manufactures methane for further processing in a gas liquefier. Water electrolyzer transforms water into hydrogen, useful for the methane synthesizer and oxygen. That might be good for us as well. We'll have to take a look at that once that comes into our quest thing. Canister of liquid oxygen and hydrogen tank. Cool. How are we doing? Oxygen tank full. Perfect. Let's put this up, and we'll also fill up our hydrogen. Since we're here, why not? Oh, doop. Throw this on in there. Just fill that up. We have plenty, so it's no big deal. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Fantastic. Alright, let's put that back on. We have plenty of stuff. Let's see what we need to make for tin decoration blocks. Alright, tin decoration block, stone, and compressed tin. That might take a while to make so much compressed tin. But, I mean, we could do it. But we might also... Let's just use marble for the time being, since we have so much of it just lying around. Let's grab some more free experience. Throw away this chicken. Don't need the chicken. Let's see if we have any saplings we might like. Let's bring up some apple saplings. That should... Oh, oxygen collector. We'll use that as well. Oxygen bubble. Oh, we already have some right here. We're going to need some oxygen pipes, though, as well. Let's see if we have any oxygen pipes lying around, too. We can also set up another smeltery, but that's not that big of a deal. We'll grab the marble. Alright, so we have some transport pipes. We'll deal with that when the time comes. Our secondary jetpack, just in case. We'll bring in an advanced energy cube, just in case we need that as well. Iron chest, basic universal cable. Charge things up. We'll probably use the aluminum wire since it works with the Galacticraft stuff, but... Alright, let's go back into the marble. Oh, shnikes. Let's go grab our steel pickaxe. Boom. Okay, crowbar should be fine in there. We'll take a stack of dirt, which we already moved, so we'll probably find it somewhere. Oh, no, we want the marble. Nice marble. Be wonderful for us. That should be a good start. Now, we don't want to use stairs on the space station, because apparently it doesn't work. Alright, there's an oxygen pipe. Let's take a look at the recipe for that. Alright, not compressed steel, oxygen pipe. Okay. Glass panes is all we need. That's not that hard. We already have some glass panes. Let's go ahead and make some more then. Alright, we'll start with 4. Let's go ahead and make these all into it. Perfect. 2. Whoop. Let's put the glass panes back up. Wonderful. We don't need the HS rail. We're not doing railcraft at the moment, though we could do some railcraft eventually, but we'll wait and follow the book on that end. So oxygen collector, oxygen bubble collector should be fine. Okay, now eventually we'll want to make one of those tanks, but we'll start off with this. I think that should be fine. So let's go on up to the moon, or to the space station. Voomp. Awesome. Let's stand back a bit. Let's turn this off. Awesome. So let's get ourselves, let's press shift, go off the edge. Hopefully we'll stay on. Nope. Oh, Snikes. Man, this is... Alright, so the longer we hold shift, the faster we're supposed to go down. So I did a little research into this. Now, gravity is supposed to work more like how gravity really is in outer space. So I think our jetpack might be hindering us a little bit in this regard. Alright, so we're holding shift, trying to go down. They're saying that this is supposed to be like as if you were... Okay, cool. As if you really were in outer space. Alright, cool. Down. Okay, cool. So we don't want to press shift when we go out. We just want to lightly jump up a little bit. Alright, cool. Alright, so this is better than I thought. Oh, snuggies. Alright, it's just to symbolize using thrusters, or little oxygen, in your spacesuit to maneuver you around. I am digging that marble texture, but this is still a little bit daunting. But we won't have the pad on for right now. Alright, land. Awesome. Let's dig up this marble, and we will continue with our space station as is. We'll make this a little bit longer. We accidentally put that down. I might consider doing just a speed build of this, but we'll figure it out. Let's go ahead. Oh, I forgot to grab the dirt, but I think I might have some dirt in here. No, we don't have dirt. That's okay though. We'll make do. We'll put down a chest so we can store some of the stuff that we have. Voomp. And chest. Let's just go ahead and put some of this marble, some of our extra things. Now we want to keep our tools. Limestone. Fantastic. Oh, we also want that. We'll keep the marble on us for right now. We'll put it next to that to help us dig up. Let's empty our pack just in case here. Keep all this stuff where... Alright, we shouldn't need that, but let's go and dump this stuff out. Well, we might want to bring the fuel loader back with us, but that's fine for right now. Oh, we'll keep the matter transporter as well. We'll keep the quest book. Awesome. Let's take a look at the quest book. How are we doing here? 12 quests with unclaimed rewards. What's in the get started? Getting rubber. Okay, we've done that, so let's grab some rubber saplings. Why not? We've just updated, so things might be a little weird in there. I'm not seeing the quests with... Alright, here we go. Starting big reactor. We've done big reactor, so we'll grab that. Eating in space. We've done that. That's not that big of a deal. Exploring the universe. Alright, we've done that. Tools and weapons. We've done this. Ooh, so much stuff. I think we'll go emerald, since emeralds are hardest to come by. Okay, cool. Just grab all this stuff so it doesn't show up. So much stuff. Alright. Alright, let's just dump all this stuff in here. Lava buckets, emerald. We'll get some fuel canisters. Lorium's great. We've already got the food. Pattern chest, blah blah blah. Well, I want to update this chest probably. Let's finish getting all these items. Claim reward. Reward, awesome. Let's we don't have Exploring the Universe 2. We're still looking for the Tier 2 rocket schematic, which is our hold up there. Storage system, we've done this. There's nothing further right there. Science research, we can start advanced genetics soon. I'm looking forward to that. That should be fun. But in the meantime, let's go on back. Deposit the rest of this. Oh, there's nothing else to deposit. Do we have any? Alright, fair enough. We'll put them in these chests. So there's no real need for us to have these right now. Awesome. That's mine. Keep that. Rubber saplings. And we'll want to place the NASA workbench down somewhere here, but we can wait on that. Alright, we put away the marble, unfortunately. Let's grab ourselves 2 stacks of marble. Right, go back down. Perfect. Alright, now we want to jump up just a little bit. Help us. Down, down. Alright. Come on, not so high. Come on. Alright, now the day-night cycle is the same on the space station as compared to the overworld. So it'll be about 10 minutes on here, 10 minutes up there. Let's see if we can use this sleeping bag up here. In space! Alright, sleeping bag. Oh, looks like it's working. Sleeping in our sleeping bag in outer space. Gotta love it. Okay. So, is the power thing working? Let's check with our power converter. We'll use the basic universal cable for right now, as our energy cube is full up. So let's use our oxygen collector, see if that'll connect the basic universal cable, or if we have to use other types. Alright, so there's no power connecting to the... Oh, wait. We need the wrench. Turn that around so that the power outlet's fitting... Alright, that's working apparently. Oh, do we have to have the power on to get... Alright, let's go back. See if the power's working or not. Alright. How's our power situation going over here? Power seems fine. We got 100%. And it looks like that's done. So let's go to bed here. I thought it was bedtime up. We just went to bed, but that's okay. Let's go to bed here. I guess we're in bed in one, we're not in bed in another.